All right, in this video, we are going to solve this function notation question over here. And it's kind of just a logic question. It's pretty easy to solve this question once you understand how to do this concept. So let's take a look at the question. We have the main formula over here, which is f of x plus f of x plus 3 equals 2x plus 5. And then we have one iteration, but that's not of this formula over here. It's just a random iteration. So f of 8 plus f of 2 is 12 because there's no way 2 can get to x and x plus 3, 2 and 8, because if I pick x as 2, this is going to be 5. And then if I pick x as 8, that's going to be 11. And then the question asks me to find f of 5. On a question like this, you can find f of 5, you can find f of 8, and you can find f of 2, but the question only asks us to find f of 5, so we're not going to bother finding the other two, but at the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can find those as well if you need to. So simply speaking, if we look at the numbers in the question for x's, we have three numbers. We have 2, 5, and 8 that are involved in the question. So our solution is going to involve these three numbers for x's. I'll first pick my x as 2. And the reason why I pick x as 2 is because if I sub in 2 over here for x, so this becomes f of 2. Over here, 2 plus 3 is 5, and I'll get f of 5. And f of 2 and f of 5 are both involved in this question, so I know I'm on the right track. This is going to equal to 2 times x, which is 2, plus 5. And then I can just simplify this. So f of 2 plus f of 5, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. Now let's pick another value for x. The next value I'll pick for x is x equals to 5. The reason I picked 5 is the same over there, because if I sub in x as 5, I'll get my x values to be 5 plus 3 is 8. And again, 5 and 8 are both involved in this question. So we know, again, we are on the right track. I'll replace my x with a 5. Again, I'll simplify this equation. So 10 plus 5 is 15. If I picked x as 8 in this question, I would have f of 8 plus f of 11, and f of 11 does not exist anywhere over here. So when picking your values of x, the insides of the brackets have to always solve to something involved in the question. Sometimes if it's negatives, you'll pick the larger numbers. And if it's additions, you'll pick the smaller numbers like we've done over here. Now I'm going to use the second formula over here. It says f of 8 plus f of 2 equals to 12. Well, I have f of 2 over here and I have f of 8 over here, so I can just isolate each one and do a substitution in this equation right here. So if I isolate f of 2 over here, f of 2 is 9 minus f of 5. And over here, if I isolate f of 8, f of 8 is 15 minus f of 5. Now we can sub f of 2 and f of 8 in this equation right here, the second one given here. So f of 8 I'll replace with 15 minus f of 5. Since it's a plus, I don't really need a bracket there. F of 2 I'll replace with 9 minus f of 5. And this equals to 12. Now I'll just solve this equation for f of 5 and I'll have my solution to the question. So 15 plus 9 is 24. Negative f of 5 minus f of 5 is just minus 2 f of 5. Then I'll subtract the 24 on the other side. So negative 2 f of 5 equals 12 minus 24 is negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 2. And I'll get f of 5 equals to 6 is my final solution to this question. If I needed to find f of 2 and f of 8 as well, I could just sub in 6 for f of 5 over here. So 9 minus 6, f of 2 would have been 3, and f of 8 is 15 minus 6, which would be 9. As you can see, 3 plus 9 will just give me 12. If you made it to the end of this video and you found this content helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.